Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings. Today we will have my favorite brand ever, which is Chanel. I mean vintage Chanel. Even if I'm not sure this bag is vintage, I think it's from early 2000, but I need to check and put the info here when I will edit the video. So let me show you guys what we have in the menu, even if I know all the bags will be on the thumbnail, so before watching the video you will know what you will have on the menu for the day. So let me introduce to you, without any drama, without any suspense, to my new little old baby, which is this beautiful Chanel classic flap with the the symbols of the Chanel house, which is the camellia, the hat, the Chanel tweed jacket, the escarpin, the big color shoes, of course the CC, and of course a Chanel bag. I've been collecting Chanel for about 10 years. I've been checking 1,000 times per day since 10 years, 100,000 and million listings. And even when the prices were low, I mean, I'm talking about before COVID, I really saw the shift in the market from affordable and cheap to expensive and extremely rare after COVID, because we had COVID. All the fashion brands increased their prices 1,000 times, and of course vintage and second-hand became extremely desirable. So all those things made the market just go crazy. So before COVID, when you could easily get a classic flap for 1,000, 1,500 was like the maximum. It was like super expensive. This bag was always super expensive, around I'm not even sure I saw this once for 4,000. Always I saw this bag for 6,000 and more. Why? I have no idea. Like, I think it's a limited edition bag. I will put here the pictures of its sisters, which is the black one with the icons. But I never understood why this bag was always this crazy. I mean, this crazy with this crazy price. And I think it's because it's rare, because in 10 years I saw it like 3 times, and I think it was the same bag like on eBay or something like this. And yeah, I think it's an extremely rare bag that I was able to add to my collection. I found this pretty baby on Ricardo.ch, which, if you know me and you follow me, you know it's my #1 Swiss website when it comes to vintage and secondhand and pre-loved stuff from private seller to private seller. So it's not, you know, like business, it's not like Vestiaire Collective, it's just the platform. And I found it for I think it was around 2,800 Swiss francs, which is more or less $3,000, which is of course expensive, but for a bag that retails for 6,000 minimum, it was a deal. And I think not. I'm sure this bag is just amazing. Let me open it so I can show you the details, and I just love it. And can you imagine, I think about it like 2 years ago, and I never wore it because, as you know, I need to do the official unboxing and then I feel more comfortable to wear the bag. So let me show you inside how, imagine the bag looks beautiful like this, and when you open it's like piece of art. It's like it's magnifique, vraiment, it's beautiful. And then when you open, you have this beautiful blue leather, and okay, it's empty. Inside you have the same color, which it's, let me show you, it's really beautiful. This is a Chanel made in France, and I don't have the authenticity card, but I still have the sticker, and it starts with 381. I will put the date, the year, I mean the date code year here, so we will know if it's vintage or pre-loved. I think this is from early 2000, which means she will become vintage next year or in 2 years maximum. I should check the bags I have from early 2000 and celebrate when they go vintage and do a party for my bags and everything with a cake and champagne, because why not? So we can celebrate the vintage year. And coming back to this one, as you can see, this is aged gold hardware. Same for the chains, which they are in, I mean the chain is leather and aged gold. And before buying the bag, I thought these were like a denim bag, and it's not. It's a cotton, it's like a blue fabric, as you can see, and it's not denim. What can I say about this bag? I love her, and I think she's just beautiful, and this is why I love Chanel, vintage Chanel, because I really like this playful design and colors, etc. Of course, we are talking about a classic flap, which is a classic design, but there is, you know, this touch of fantasy and originality that I love. And when I mean, when you have, you know, the black, the white, the beige, the red, I mean, all the classic colors, I think the next step is like buying this kind of bags, because it's so much like fun and casual and still classic. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this kind of original designs from Chanel. So voila, I don't have anything else to say. It's a medium size. It's definitely my favorite size. I think I do really hate the small classic flap. I do have like three to five small classic flaps. It's not a bag that works for me because I don't know, I'm overweight and it looks really small, and it's not a medium, it's not really small, it's like in the middle, you know. And yeah, I don't like small classic flaps, but this is another convo. This is definitely a medium, and I really like the size. Of course, we have the chain problem, which is the chain is way too small. I wish Chanel could, like, for the price that it cost, they could at least like give the possibility to the buyers to have like a how do you say that, a chain that would fit their body type. Like they could just, you know, make it longer or shorter, or if they don't want to do this as a service, they could at least, you know, include with the bag a little, you know, like an extension, or I mean a piece of chain that you could attach to your chain so you could make it longer. that's a minimum they could do, and I think it would help so much people. And I wish they could, you know, add this service to the classic flaps, because everybody complain about the strap length. And voila. Well, I cannot say too much because this is a vintage, so I will not be able to make it longer, even if I found a little trick I should share with you to make the straps longer. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this beautiful bag, if you like it, if you don't. This is definitely a bag I'm not going to sell, at least for the moment. I don't even know if I will be able to sell it one day, because she's so pretty and I really like to have this kind of original designs. And this one is a little bit like this one here. I think they are not from the same collection, but they are so nice. Ah! Yeah, I didn't scream on this video when I showed the bag. But yeah, like, I love when it comes to this kind of classic flaps where you have some, you know, like nice cool print. Here you have the icons. Here I have like Coco and the CC, and I wish I could eat them. I still have some bags like this in my wish list, and I don't know, I think I'm a little bit obsessed with Fantasy Chanel. I don't know how to call that, but I'm really into even bags I hate in the past with a little bit too much info on it. I'm like, I like you, because it's a classic flap and you cannot go wrong with a classic flap. Guys, let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss tomorrow's video. And I hope you are liking these 31 days of unboxings, because I'm really due. And yeah, I see you tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe, and bisous bisous bisous. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Bye.